Hello YouTube, Ben here with another video. Thank you for stopping by. In this little video, I just want to take the opportunity to say thank you very much to the community that has been supporting this channel up to this date. If this is your first time visiting this channel, you may not know this, but I recently started making videos about fragrances and all kind of stuff that really perked my interest, and I thought I'd share with you on YouTube here. And I have been lucky enough to be adopted by the YouTube community, and they have been very supportive since the very beginning. So I thought to make this video to specifically say thank you very much to all different communities that has been coming back, supporting this channel, watching the videos, and engaging in the comment section of each video. Probably the one community that I would like to say thank you is the fragrance community on Facebook. I feel like I have been creating good friendships there, good relationships, and I'm very happy to be part of that community. So thank you very much for letting me in and adopting me in that community too. Another community that I would like to say thank you very much is the fragrance community in Reddit. Also, I've been participating in and that's the fragrance subreddit, and the members in that community has been very friendly. They have been very open to help, and I have also been lucky to establish new friendships in that community. So thank you very much. If you're from Reddit a visitor, thank you very much. And the other community that I would like to say a big thank you for letting me in and also adopting me as one of your own is the Small YouTubers community in Twitter, the Smallyoutuberarmy community in Twitter, and also the Iamacreator community in Twitter. They've been very supportive communities. We've been supporting each other's channel. We've been participating in all the videos. We've been participating in all the live stream chats, and I have been creating many good friends from that community too. So Facebook's fragrance community, thank you. Reddit fragrance community, thank you very much. And Twitter's YouTubers community, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If you were just wondering how this channel has been growing so much in such a small little time, it is thanks to all those communities, because they have been very supportive. At some point down the road, I would like to do something to give back to all those communities. So I have different ideas. Maybe a giveaway will be one of the things that we do here once we reach a good amount of supporters. So I can say thank you very much, and I'll give something back to you for all the support you have been provided. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I really hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.